Today's camper cleanup project is fixing this, which we thought was rust or, I don't know, some sort of sticky stuff, which it seems to be, but point is we didn't think it would come off, and it's pretty much all around the walls, as you can tell. So, with some peroxide and a lot of scraping with this thing, I found that it actually does come off. And surprisingly, there's a pretty decent looking metal under there. So this took, I don't know, 2 hours or so to get this side done. And now I'm going to start on the other side, try to make it a little